STS TV, STS TV, STS TV, STS TV, checking in. Let's get it. Okay, so cat slap, right? So forget the cat slap. I just want to show you that you can literally be an idiot and make money in this space, right? And that's the whole point of this channel. It's not to look overly smart. It's literally for people like us, idiots. You know what I'm saying? It's just regular folks. You know what I'm saying? That got a couple dollars here, you could throw on this, but you want to make an educational decision, a way to throw your money. Idiots in their eyes, right? We know we smart, but you know what I'm saying. So Slap token can be traded on decentralized exchange, right? Literally, if you go to CoinGecko, put in Slapcat, and go down to the bottom. If you knew nothing about this coin and you wanted to learn a little bit about it, right? You literally just go to CoinGecko, go down here, hit about, and they tell you everything. So you can make an educational decision on if you want to invest in it or if it's gonna go up or down. So look, the trading volume right here on Slap token is 2.4 million in the last 24 hours. They literally put right here, that represents 177 increase from 1 day ago. What that mean? Throw money on it. Okay, so next, what is the all-time high at Cat Slap? They tell you right here. They tell you the date it happened on, 9 days ago. Comparatively, the coin is only 19.6 lower from it is today. That means it's going up. The gap is getting smaller. Throw money on it. What is the all-time low for Cat Slap? It tell you right here. So this is when you should have bought in. This was the first date. We bought in at about 0.04 cents over that at 2.3. So 11 days ago that happened. Comparatively, the price raised 180. Damn, 11 days ago the price went up 180%. So if I put 200 bucks on it 11 days ago, I went up 180 of my, yeah. Okay, so next, the market cap. Cat Slap. It's at 45 mil, right? It's ranked 918 on CoinGecko today. Market cap is, it literally tell you how market cap is measured, right? Or what a market cap is. It's multiplied by token price with the circulating supply. The Slap tokens 8.5 bill, tradable on the market. Tradable on the market. I tell you what the FTB is. We went through that. That's the what the future market cap is projected to be. Let's see, how does the price performance of the Cat Slap compare to others? They literally tell you everything here, right? So the price increased 120% in the last 7 days. Cat Slap outperformed the global cryptocurrency market, which is up 8%, which compares to Ethereum ecosystem. So, bro, they're literally telling you the coin's about to go crazy, right? So it's just a quick little cheat sheet. So if you want to know any other coin or how to invest or see a winner, because this is going to be a winner, you know what I'm saying? This, bro, I'm scared. This thing might go to $5, bro. You know what I mean? So let's get it, bro.